Want to create a dashboard in less than 10 minutes? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a complete dashboard from scratch in less than 10 minutes. If you are interested, stay with me until the end. So the main goal of this video is show you that we can create a simple but effective dashboard in less than 10 minutes. I will upload the database, create a few measures, and create the visuals. The objective is to show you if you have a few problems or a unexpected meeting and you need to show some data to the meeting attendants, you can build a simple but effective dashboard really quick. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will grab some data. I will grab from a CSV file. We're gonna grab from our fact internet sales. I will transform the data. Gonna duplicate the table, select my order dates, and remove the other columns. Then I will create three columns: the year column, the month column, and the month name column. Now I will select all and remove the duplicates. And call this gym calendar. And close and apply. Great. Now you create a relationship between the two tables. Order date with order date. Great. And now we're just gonna go to our date here and order the month name by the month number. Okay. Now I create a quick table here to input our measures. And now we create our measures. Let's create a new measure here. I will call it total sales. That will be a sum of the sales amount. And I will create another measure, call it total sales last year. That will be a calculate of the total sales for the same period last year using our order date. And voila, from our calendar table. Now let's create the visuals. First, I want to change the background and put a little gray here. Then let's create a header. Insert a shape. Here. I want to change the shape style. Rounded corners I like 5, not 50, 5. Okay. Then I will remove the background. Oh, let's shape style. Border, I want to remove the border, and I want to fill with, let's see, this purple here. Little bigger. That's it. Now let's create a title. I will put a text box here that I will say sales dashboard. I want to centralize it with white letters and font size 60. Okay, now I remove the background and we drag it up here. There it is. Let me open a little bit. And there it is. We have our dashboard title. Now let's create a few visuals, okay? First of all, a sales by year. Here, insert a total sales by year. So there we have it. I will create here a total sales comparing the sales of this month, this year, and the previous year. I will create now another visual. Let me take a look here. A pie chart that will have the total sales by country. So it's territory. Sales territory key. We don't have the dimension that gives the name of the countries, but we can use the code here to have the same effect. And if we have time, we can put the dimension that contains the name of the countries. Okay, there we have it. And now we can create a little table here. Let me just make a little bigger these dashboards, these visuals. Let me just go a little down here because we want to insert filters, right? Here, here. And now we're gonna input a table. I want my sales order date and my total sales here. Okay, now just gonna to do a little adjustments. I want that the title be in the middle. I don't want guidelines. I want my data labels, my background. I want gray, but in a different gray than the background. I don't want my y-axis. There we have it. And the borders, visual borders, on with a little white, with rounded corners from 6 and a shadow. There we have it. Now let's copy this format to the other visuals. Okay, and now let's put some filters. I want a slicer here to use as year. And I want a slicer to month. This one I will add it, and slicer settings I want a drop down. And the last one I want just these two are fine. So now we have our dynamic dashboard that we have a lot of information. The filters are working. We have the information that we need with a nice visual for less than 10 minutes. We did it in 9 minutes and a few seconds. So the main goal here, just to remind you, it's create a fast dashboard with the insights that you need for a meeting or for something that a manager wants. Of course, with more time, you can create a proper background. We can use another tool to create a prettier background, or deep dive in more complex analysis. But for now, for 10 minutes, it's a great job. I hope you like it. There we have it. In 10 minutes, we build a complete dashboard. Now it's your turn. I want to know in the comments how did you manage to do that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And if you want to know more about Power BI from zero to advanced level, I have a special ebook and a fixed comment. Go check it out. I know you'll like it. And I see you guys on our next video.